What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the CAR-NIVORES YouTube channel. It's James again. We're in the swamp house with a different setting for you. I am in my new computer room. I've recently built a computer that you can see right here. I will kind of show the setup in a second. Because we are going to be adding some gaming and some other things car related. All of it will be car related, and other interests of ours that you know, we've always wanted to bring into CAR-NIVORES, and we're now finally, you know, being able to, right? So if you don't know that Justin and I are gamers, we do plan on incorporating some streaming and some gaming videos, maybe some reviews, maybe some just straight up raw footages of us acting the fool online and stuff. So we're gonna be doing that. We're still gonna be doing our normal content. We're just trying to grow and expand because we're very diverse guys, and we don't want to be doing like the same thing. We like doing a lot of different things, and plus this is us. Like, this is what CAR-NIVORES is we do everything. Like, we want to work on our cars ourselves, we play video games, we watch movies, and you know, we do everything car related. We go to car meets, we go to car shows, we, you know, like drift events, and you know, we want to do all this stuff. And obviously all that stuff like costs money, and you know, COVID and stuff, so things have, you know, we're working with it. We're working with what we got. So this is just going to be a new addition. The channel's not changing or going anywhere. We're just going to be doing more, you know, as much as we can. I know some people prefer to watch certain cars or certain things, and you know, whatever. I would encourage you to watch all of our stuff. It helps us a lot, and you never know, you might actually love it. You might learn something new. You might, you know, get new experiences from how diverse we are, and help you become more of a diverse person, etc. Anyway, so yeah, this is my computer setup. I'm going to show you guys now. Alright, so this is the setup. This is the computer. Do not ask me what is in it. I have no idea, other than the 4K 60 Elgato. That's the only thing I know by heart. This is a TV that I've had sitting in my closet forever. I needed a second monitor, so bam, there it is. This is the other monitor. I'm using that for the Xbox. And some speakers I bought from Best Buy, some cheap, you know, light up speakers. That light is my studio light. I covered it with paper towels so that it doesn't blind me, and it works. Got the Xbox down here, notepad, another controller. Hopefully a Xbox Series X will be there in the future. We will see if I can ever get my hands on one. Probably won't buy one until Forza comes out. But yeah, and then this desk was a cheap desk, and we absolutely destroyed it putting the computer together. That was us being inconsiderate or whatever. And yeah, Josh gave me this for free, so love you, Josh. You helped me a lot with all of this junk. And yeah, I gotta do some wire management here because it's all weird. And yeah, not too bad. And then I got a doctor right there, buddy. Yeah, whatever. Alright, so yeah, that's my computer setup. This has all cost me about $2,500 in credit. Gotta do what you gotta do. This is something that I needed anyway for editing. So that was the big main point. And then while I was going to be doing that, I said, hey, I might as well build something that I can use in a lot of different ways and kind of get that part of the channel flowing while we're in our house. And you never know, we might go through another lockdown, so this will definitely, you know, help keep content coming, keep things flowing, you know, etc., etc. Anyway, so this is me just kind of introducing y'all to this branch of the channel that's going to be coming out. And you know, I'm very excited to be adding it. We want to talk about old games that we used to play, old movies that, you know, movie franchises, and how we feel about it, etc., from a normal car guy, open-minded folk. And then also we might be doing, you know, we don't just play racing games, so we might do other kinds of gaming and put it on our old channel that we never got started or whatever. And not as, you know, not to be taking it really serious, but we might just be putting stuff over there. And that one's Freeman Twins. I'll put it in the description or something. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys are excited as we are for introducing this chapter into the channel. It's going to be a lot of fun. I haven't really been able to game as much as I want lately, and I want to bring it back because it was my like, that was where my peace was, you know what I'm saying? So look forward to, we're gonna start off with a Forza Hot Lap challenge, and so right now it's after Thanksgiving, and so it should be, I should be introducing it Monday after Thanksgiving, the first Hot Lap challenge, and I'll be putting a separate video out about that, and what to do, what we're expecting, etc. We just want to kind of get some socializing and some challenges going to get people into it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, and then down the road as things come, you saw we've been playing Need for Speed a little bit, so expect to see that. I need to get my streaming stuff set up. I call my streaming friends because I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't know how to build computers. I don't know how to do all this stuff. I've been learning, and my boy Josh has been helping me a lot. And like, he helped me with the keyboard, and he helped me order all of this stuff, and he basically built it by himself. So anyway, love you, Josh. I probably already said that, but I'm gonna say it again. So yeah, we're gonna be gaming, we're gonna be challenging each other, we're gonna be racing, we're gonna be, you know, TV car show reviews or car movie reviews, anything car related, we're gonna talk about it. And because that's what carnivores do, that's what we are. And I hope that it is something for you all to look forward to, and yeah, and join us on this new chapter of the channel that we've been wanting to get in here for a while. So all right, so that's about it. Like and subscribe if you are if you're new and interested in what's going on. Make sure you guys join us on Facebook. It's the same thing. We have a Facebook group that's like our own little social media where we talk and post things, you know, non-toxic stuff, etc. Because car groups can get really toxic. So if you're interested in a car group that loves everything cars and any other kind of vehicle in general, right, that's where you want to be. And it's a non-toxic environment, and it's fantastic. So we're at about 615 right now, maybe more, not really sure, but we would love to see you guys there, and so that we can interact a little bit more. When we start doing like these hot lap challenges, we're gonna need you to join Facebook anyway, so that we can keep track of who is running what times, etc. Oh, gamer tags, I'm gonna have it in the description. CNVR Twin 2 is me on Xbox. I haven't got all my PC stuff situated yet. We'll get there eventually. I need to get a Discord. I need to, you know, there's stuff, I gotta do a lot of things. So all of this is in the works. Also, like, I need like the sound like things on the walls and stuff so that my echo is gone and stuff like that. So anyway, like I said, I'm learning. I'm getting it all set up. Come join us on Facebook and Instagram. We post a lot of things ahead of time there, a lot of updates and stuff. We've got car meets that don't make it to the channel. When we host our own car meets, we post it on Instagram because we're usually too busy while we're there to actually be filming. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. Like I said, again, I hope you're excited. I'm excited. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.